Welcome to your Cyber Tips Explainer, where we make everyday people understand the cyber world around us.
All right, let's start with a chilling thought experiment. A total global blackout.
Now, this isn't some movie plot. It's a real question keeping world leaders up at night. So like any great mystery, we start with the murder weapon. What are we dealing with?
Well, the culprit has a name, a high-altitude nuclear detonation, or, a space nuke.
So, how does it work? It's a three-step apocalypse. Detonation, a massive EMP, then crippling radiation.
Yeah, forget craters. A nuke on the ground is one thing. This is different. It fries electronics everywhere.
But wait, there's a shocking twist in the design of this ultimate weapon. A fatal flaw.
And here's the problem in a nutshell. The blast plays no favorites. It's totally indiscriminate.
Think of it like this. It's a suicide mission. You take out everyone else's satellites, and your own.
So you might be thinking, why should I care? Because our entire modern world is built up there.
Seriously, as of right now, in 2026, over 50,000 satellites are orbiting Earth.
That's your GPS, global internet, weather forecasts, pretty much everything depends on that fragile web.
And this isn't just theory. The 2022 Viasat hack proved it. The first shots were just lines of code.
So if the ultimate high ground is now exposed for everyone, what comes next?
Binge on our playlists on a watch marathon to become a cybersecurity expert. Subscribe to this channel, like and share this video with someone you deeply care about to have a foolproof cyber defense.